Today is an exciting day. We are working in Excel Lesson 8, the ninth and final lesson of Excel. Complete this and you will be finished with Excel. So click File, make sure the info is selected and active. Click Check for Issues and then click Check Accessibility. The accessibility checker pane lists an error and a warning, each of which should be corrected. You can see this right over here. Close the accessibility checker pane. Mark that as answered and go to the next one. Correct the first error by adding alternative text to the chart. So click the chart in the workbook, in the worksheet. The name box shows the object name is chart 2, which is right up here. Right click the chart and then click Edit Alt Text down here. The Alt Text task pane is displayed. In the task pane, click in the text box and type Bookings Column Chart. I copied and pasted it. Note, your task pane options may differ. Enter the alt text information in the available boxes. So right there, we entered that. Mark that as answered. Correct the warning about the default sheet name. Double click the Sheet 1 tab name and replace it with Bookings and press Enter. Close the alt text task pane. Mark as answered. Click File. Click the info. Click Checks for Issues. Check Accessibility. No accessibility issues are found. People with disabilities should not have difficulty reading the workbook. Mark as answered. Submit. Submit results. Boom. 4 green checks. Congratulations, you have now completed Excel.